Welcome to the PHP If Statement video for MathCelebrity.com. Today we're going to cover how to set up an if statement and how the different logic works. So first we're going to declare a number 2. And now we're going to go into a generic if statement. So this if statement only has a section if the statement is true. So we're going to check to see if this number is 1, and if it is, or greater than 1. If it is, we're going to print out the number, whatever number you entered, in this case 2, is greater than 1. So this section here represents what happens if your if check is true. Now let's do another if check but have a false section. So again, we'll check if the number is greater than 1. If it is, we'll print out the number is greater than 1. Else, we'll print out the number is not greater than 1. So this section here represents what happens if your if statement is false. Now there's another way you can set up if statements. I call them one-line if statements. So we're going to set a variable here called even or odd. And if the piece inside the parentheses here evaluates to true, even or odd is going to be set to even. If it's false, it's going to be set to odd. And so what we're doing here is we're checking to see if the number divided by 2 has a remainder of 0. This is the modulus symbol. So it's if statement check, what happens if it's true, otherwise what happens if it's false. So we do question mark and then colon to separate each piece. And then here we'll print to the screen the number 2 is, and this piece here will evaluate to even since 2 is an even number. So that's all I had. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next programming video.